Now moving on to the next question. Find the least common multiple of 656 and 240. Now we'll follow a slightly different approach to this question where we'll try to remove the common prime factor at each level. 656 and 240 both share 2 as a common prime factor. 2 times 328 gives us 656, while 2 times 120 gives us 240. 328 and 120 also share 2 as a common prime factor. 2 times 164 gives us 320, while 2 times 60 gives us 120. These two numbers are also even, so they too share 2 as a prime factor. 2 times 82 gives us 164, while 2 times 30 gives us 60. Now these two numbers are also even, so they also share 2 as a common prime factor. 2 times 41 gives us 82, while 2 times 15 gives us 30. Now at this point we can stop since 41 is prime, so 41 and 15 cannot share any more common prime factors. So the LCM, or the least common multiple of 656 and 240, is the product of the common prime factors that these two numbers share, which is 2 power 4, and the two coprime numbers that you get after you have removed all the common prime factors from these two numbers, which is 41 and 15. 2 power 4 into 41 into 15 gives us 9840, which is the LCM of these two numbers. Let's do another one of these questions. Find the least common multiple of 336, 54, and 126. Now these three are even numbers and share 2 as a common prime factor. 2 times 168 gives us 336. 2 times 27 gives us 54, while 2 times 63 gives us 126. 1 plus 6 plus 8 gives us 15, which is divisible by 3. 2 plus 7 gives us 9, which is also divisible by 3. And 6 plus 3 also gives us 9, which is also divisible by 3. So we take 3 as a common factor, and 3 times 56 gives us 168, while 3 times 9 gives us 27, and 3 times 21 gives us 63. Now at this point they no longer share a common prime factor for all three numbers, but taken in pairs, these numbers still share common prime factors. For example, 3, 9 and 21 share 3 as a common factor. So we'll remove these common prime factors while leaving the one that doesn't share that common prime factor untouched. So 56 does not have 3 as a prime factor, so we'll leave it untouched. 3 times 3 gives us 9, while 7 times 3 gives us 27. Now 56 and 7 share 7 as a common prime factor. 7 times 8 gives us 56. 3 does not share 7 as a common prime factor, so we leave it untouched. and 1 times 7 gives us 7. So at this point, none of the three numbers share any common prime factors anymore. So the LCM of these three numbers is 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 8 into 3, which is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 cube into 7, which is equal to 3024.